Platinum seller status on ClickBank. Beginner's guide. Hey guys, J.R. Fisher here, and I just got back from the Platinum Summit in Cancun, Mexico. And I want to share with you what you need to do to get set up so that you're going to that Platinum Summit and you're one of the top sellers or affiliates on ClickBank. Now, in this video, you're going to learn how you can set up some funnels, drive some traffic, and get you started towards qualifying as a Platinum seller on ClickBank. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that like button there. And don't forget to subscribe, and what's the other thing? You got to ring the bell, that little notification thing right next to subscribe. You've got to click that. If you don't click that, and if you don't turn on all notifications, you won't know when I do a new video. So make sure you do that. Hey, I'm J.R. Fisher, and I've been selling online since like 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. And on this channel, I share with you what I've done to grow my business so that you can do the same thing. I even have my own branded products on thousands of websites, including Walmart. And I've got a special bonus for you. If you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a $97 e-commerce course absolutely free. So make sure you stick around so that you can grab that at the end. Have you tried to do affiliate marketing? Have you tried to come up with a product? If so, I want you to put that in the comments section so that I can see what you've done and I can answer any questions that you may have. All right, let's get started. When you set up an account on ClickBank, it allows you to do a couple things. Number one, you can sell other people's products. That's right, you don't even have to come up with a product. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, you can market any product that is on ClickBank. And there's thousands of categories. Now, the one thing I will tell you is certain countries are banned from selling and doing business on ClickBank. Those countries I'm going to put up on the screen here, and I'll also put a link in the comments so that you can see them. But any of these countries that you see on the screen right now cannot use ClickBank. So I do want to tell you that up front. So if you're not in one of those countries, you're in really good shape. Now, a lot of people think they can't sell online because they don't have a product. That doesn't matter. There's hundreds and thousands of products out there you can sell. Many companies do it, so you as an individual, you can do it too. It's really cool. Now, the world's largest marketplace for affiliate marketing most certainly is ClickBank. They've been around since the 90s. They're dependable, and you know what? When you sell products on there, they're going to put money in your bank account. That's right, they'll just transfer money to your bank account. Or if you wish, they'll actually send you checks. Either way you want to do it, they'll work with you, and you can make money quick. Now, the first thing I want to talk to you about is a bridge page. Now, this is kind of a hidden secret that most people don't know about it. What is a bridge page? Well, a bridge page is where you send traffic to before you send it to the affiliate offer. And the way it works is when you send them to a bridge page, they will opt in with their email address, and once they do that, you can tag them and you know what they're interested in. Now, why is this beneficial? Well, later on down the road, if you want to sell related products to these people, you'll have their name and you'll have their email. If you don't build a bridge page, well, you really can't build any list, and the affiliate will have all the information, but you won't. So it's super important that you build a bridge page to grab their information. Now, when they click to submit their information, they're automatically going to be taken to your affiliate link, which will take them to the product and you'll get credit for the sale. But you got to build a bridge page. Now, most affiliate marketers will just send the people directly to the affiliate page. And like I said, without a bridge page, number one, they don't get any information. But the big thing is they just look like everybody else. They're using the same advertising as everybody else, the same banners. So here's what I would suggest you do. When you send them to your bridge page, offer them something extra of value that nobody else is. It can be a PDF download valued at, $29, or it can be, a product you're going to give them if they buy the affiliate offer. And all you have to do is put in your verbiage that once they buy the affiliate offer, to send you a copy of that receipt where they bought the product, and then you can send out whatever product it is. It can be a digital product, it can be a physical product, whatever it is, but it will also encourage them to buy that affiliate offer. Something special you can do that will increase your sales. So for example, let's say you had a weight loss offer. Once you've got them on your list, you could sell them a green drink or vitamins or red tea detox or exercise equipment. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And this will enable you to really monetize your list, whereas a lot of affiliate marketers have to come up with another offer, they have to get more names, they have to constantly do this. This way, it will build your business and you can actually sell them more products on down the road and you have a sustainable business. It also makes that customer a lot more valuable because if they buy the product and you have them on the list and you can sell them other items, that customer now is a higher profit customer, which means you can pay more for the traffic than other people can who are just sending them to the affiliate offer. Okay, let's go ahead and build that bridge page that I've been telling you about so we can go ahead and grab some names.
Okay, so step number one, I go to ClickBank right here and I go to Marketplace. Now in the Marketplace is where you find everything, but there's a pretty cool way of searching this. You can put a name in here, but if you don't put anything in here and you just hit search, it automatically pulls up the best offers on there. In other words, the ones that are the most popular, or you can sort by gravity or whatever you want. So let's just pick one out of here real quick that has an affiliate page. Now this one has an affiliate page. So there's all the information we're going to need right there. Let's go ahead and look at the actual offer. So this is the actual offer. Now what we want to do is build a bridge page between this offer here and our actual link. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to go to Kartra and build us a page. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Go over to Kartra. I'm in pick a template. I'm just going to pick a blank canvas right here and click Launch Builder. And we're going to just call this weight loss. We don't really care about a particular category right now because it's just for a sample. I already did one sample, so we got to get weight loss too. So there we go. Our page builder is loading now. We just have to put a section in, which is super easy. Empty section, drag it over there. We've got our section. Now we're going to go ahead and put in our components, which I believe this one had a headline. I believe it had a headline, so let's take a look at it. Yeah, it's got a line here and a headline. We're going to go ahead and copy all this because we're going to use it on the page that we're going to build. So we're going to take a column and put it over there and kind of spread it out the way they did. We want it to look as similar as possible. So we're going to close that and then we're going to even these up a little bit. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Go ahead and even this one up. That's done. Now all we got to do is pull over a component, which I'm going to pull over a separator. And it looks like a line like this will do just fine. And I believe theirs was red, so we can adjust ours right here. Right here. And we can make it red. Okay. A little bit more red, that works. So we have a red line just like them. And then we're going to put these words on our page. So we're going to come over here to components, get our text, drag our text over here, make that text what theirs said, make it a little bit larger, maybe a touch more. We're going to go ahead and center it up. That's starting to look like theirs. I think they had red text, so let's make it red. So we've got red text now. Now the difference in that page and our page is we want to get their email before they hit that page. So let's go ahead and put in a opt-in. This one looks good. We'll put that right there. This is just a placeholder. So what we're going to do is save this. And then we're going to actually build that opt-in form real quick in Kartra. Super easy to do. And we're going to go ahead and publish live. Close this. Go build our opt-in right quick. Go to My Forms. And then we're going to create a form. And we'll call it weight loss. Okay, and this is what our form looks like here. We can edit any of these things, but this looks pretty good actually. So we're just going to leave it a first name, and we're going to, I'll put watch video here. Save that. This is for a confirmation. So we can see the fields we have here. This is for the confirmation. We're just going to do a single opt-in so they don't have to confirm it. The success page will be the link to that Cinderella page. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use this one here. Get rid of the HTTP, save it. But when you actually do this, you're going to want to use your affiliate link. We don't need a welcome email because they're going to do all that for us. Now, here's where we're going to tag these people so we can actually use this later on. Okay, we're going to assign a tag, and we don't have a tag yet, so we're going to create a new tag, and it's going to be weight loss offer. Now, if you're going to be doing a lot of these in weight loss, you would want to call it what it was, like maybe Cinderella or something like that. But for the purpose of this example, we don't need to. So nothing selected there. We don't have it. You could have it expire if you want, but we don't care about that. We'll put no category in particular. We'll go ahead and create it. Go ahead and add that tag. We'll go ahead and save it. So they're going to be tagged with weight loss offer. So we'll have those people on our list and we can send them other offers after this. And we'll use a Kartra page right there, which is fine. You can also embed it on your own site. And it's done. So now we just go back to our page, which is right here. We'll edit it. Now we can go ahead and put that in here. And I think we call it weight loss offer. Or weight loss, that's right. Click apply. All right, our form is looking pretty good now. Let's see if we want to make any adjustments in it. We'll go ahead and publish it live. Get the link, take a look at it. I mean, that took us like no time to do this. Now, you notice how it's kind of pushed over here a little bit? It's because of the Kartra software. What you have to do is you have to put something in this first box here. So we're going to go ahead and put in here text. And we'll put a text box in there. Got to stick it there for a second so I can get it over here. There we go. And we will just go ahead and put a dot in there, which will serve our purpose. We'll make the dot white so it doesn't show up. Okay, let's see if there's anything else we want to do to our form. All they have really down here is this, and they have the ClickBank disclaimer, which would probably be a good idea to go ahead and do that. You'd also want to put in your terms and conditions, so we'll copy that. Go back and put that on our page. Got our ClickBank disclaimer in here. And if you notice, they kind of faded it out to it was like a lighter gray. So we probably will want to do that. Maybe something along, ooh, that's a little bit too light, I think. Yeah. We'll make it about that color, which I think will be good. That shows up, you can see it. So let's go ahead and save our page. And there's our page. It's that easy. And now we can go ahead and send offers to that particular offer and make money. So I just want you to understand how this works. What happens is we built a page and we did a post. And when we did that post, we send them to our page here, and it's going to be the link of our page that they're going to actually go to. So let's take a look at that real quick. So this is the link to our page. Now in Kartra, you can actually change this. Let's say you want to do weight loss. You could do that. And then all you would do is check this. So your actual page would be, see here, -jrfisher.kartra.com, page/weight loss. So now if I go to that page, and we go directly to that page, and let's say I were to opt in, and I've got this little test in here, and I click submit. The submit button, when I built the form, is actually my affiliate link. So as soon as they click that, they're going to my affiliate link, which in this case, we just use the basic link to their sales page, and it plays the video. Now at this point, they are cookied, and they can watch this video, and if they buy it, then I get paid. It's really that simple. Pretty cool stuff.
Wow, that was simple, right? You can do that. I highly recommend that you get Kartra. I put a link below in this video so that you can actually get Kartra for $1, which is a pretty good deal, right? Now we've got them set up. Now we can run ads or post in social media or do whatever we want to get more traffic to that page. Now, you can do this in any niche, but as you drive traffic to your offer, make sure you build that list so you can sell them more stuff. Super, super important. A lot of people miss that step, and they never build a list, and they don't really have anything after months or years of marketing to these affiliate offers. Sure, I mean, you're going to make money on the affiliate offers, but you haven't built up your list, which is super, super important. And you want to make sure that the tags that you put on the people are very specific to the offer that you sent them to. That way you can segregate them. I mean, you may have a woodworking list, you may have a weight loss list, you may have a dating list, and that way you're going to know what offers to send these people. You don't want to send an affiliate offer in any niche to the entire list unless you've only stuck in one niche. That way you can target these people better, and you're going to have much higher sales. Now it's your turn to get something free. You stuck to the end. That's awesome. Now I'm going to give you a $97 e-commerce course that you can get absolutely free. What I've done is I put the link in the description right there below. All you have to do is click, and you can actually watch those videos and get that free training I told you about. Now, don't forget, in case you didn't do it at the beginning, to subscribe to this channel. You want to do that because all of these videos are going to help you grow your business. Now, the next thing you need to do, you need to hit that notification button, because if you don't hit that notification button, you won't know when I did another video, even if you're subscribed. And another thing about that notification button, make sure when you click it, you click on all notifications. If you don't do that, you could miss one of the videos. Now, what do you think about affiliate marketing? Have you tried affiliate marketing before? What are you gonna do in affiliate marketing? I want to hear all these things. Put your comments below so that I can see what you're doing, and if you have questions, I can answer you. Thanks a lot for listening to this video. Don't forget to share it, like it, subscribe, and turn on what? Notifications. Super important. I'll talk to you soon. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.